Hey, to set alarm clock on the Galaxy M34 5G, first you have to open the clock on your phone. So that's how it looks, that's the icon of the clock. And now we have to go to the alarm to the left bottom corner and click on the switcher to turn on alarm. Now if you want to customize it, just click on it. And first we can set the time. Next we can set the repeat. Or you can also pick it from the calendar. From here we can also set the name of this alarm. Below you can also change the alarm sound or simply turn it off. For example, if you want to only get the vibration, for sure you can get it. But if you want to change the alarm sound, open it. You can also get the song from your Spotify, change the volume level of this ringtone and click on it and basically set from the available ringtones. Also, you can add the custom one by tapping right here. Next, below, you can also change the vibration pattern. And also we can turn on or off the vibrations and set snooze between 5 to 30 minutes or set the custom one every 1 minute and pick the repeat between 3 times, 5 times or forever. And that's it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.